to San Antonio Living. You know, one question I get all the time from viewers, from people in San Antonio who see you on the street. What do you do when you need to lose weight? What products have you tried? What's going on? Give me the best information. Well, this morning we are talking about Medi-Weightloss clinics. They're here in San Antonio. Dr. Bryan is with us, Mariana Jimenez, who is also with the clinic, and Lori Romain, who is one of the patients. It's nice to see you all.
You too, Shelley. Thanks for having us.
You know, it's, at some point, everyone has to deal, well, most everyone, there are some very lucky people out there, has to deal with taking off some pounds. And there's a right way to do it, and there's a wrong way to do it, and there's right products, and there's wrong products. So let's talk a little bit about the Medi-Weight program and how it works.
You bet, Shelley. Medi-Weight Loss program is a comprehensive, effective, physician-supervised weight loss program that helps people lose their weight very rapidly, but then long-term keep it off, because it's all about health.
It is, and so many people need to lose weight because of health reasons. It's not just because, you know, they want to make sure they're looking good in their bathing suit. It's because maybe they have diabetes or they've got some other health problem. Right. They're on a lot of medication, and just by dropping 20, 30 pounds, you can change that. You
bet you, and we can help people do that. We're even a lot more than that in some cases, you'll see.
Yeah, I want to talk to Lori real quick, because this is a program that you were on, and we do have a before picture. You smile when I say before picture, because I know. Let's take a look at the before picture. And obviously, Lori has taken off quite a few pounds since she started the Medi-Weightloss. How much did you weigh at that point? Do you remember?
I was at 291 at that point.
And what made you decide that it was time to do this?
Tried other things, didn't work. Dr. Cox is also my physician. He'd been after me for years, and he told me about the program, and I thought I would give it a try, and it was just the right time. I needed to do something.
And how much weight have you taken off so far?
I'm currently at 90 pounds. I have 21 more to go.
Wow, that's amazing.
Fabulous.
That is fabulous. Yeah. And I know, Mariana, this is something that you're encouraging companies to get involved with, because if we have a supportive workplace, then it's going to help us stay on a program like this. How can workplaces get involved?
Definitely. We have a corporate wellness program that employees can get a partnership with us, that their employees can get a special pricing with us at no cost to the employer. So we're not trying to sell anything. It's pretty much a partnership with Medi-Weightloss clinics. Up here we have some corporate wellness partners. Some of those are from San Antonio, so they're already receiving the discount with Medi-Weightloss clinic.
Everybody knows that a healthy employee is actually going to save the company money, because they're going to be spending less on insurance. Now, you brought this up. You're a doctor here, even in San Antonio, for many, many years. It's great to see you supporting a program like this. What appeals to you about this program?
It's just so comprehensive and effective. The Medi-Weightloss program, we're part of a national company. We're one of over 80 clinics. When I first heard about the Medi-Weightloss program, it was through friends of mine that were associated with clinics in other cities, and I heard about the incredible success they had, and that it was comprehensive. You get the weight off rapidly, but it's also about keeping it off long term, incorporating not only dietary changes in education, but also a whole new paradigm, incorporating exercise as well as good dietary choices, so that you can maintain good health long term.
Okay, who's the perfect candidate to do something like this? Do we need to weigh a certain amount? Do we need to be more than 20 pounds overweight? Are there any kind of restrictions?
We have people coming in who want to lose 15 pounds. We have people who want to come in losing over 200 pounds. And both those patients are the kind of patients that we can help. We customize the program we have to their needs so they can achieve their goal rapidly and know how to keep it off long term.
Okay. Now, let's talk about maybe the first visit. When you set up your visit, your appointment with someone at the Medi-Weight clinic, what happens? What kind of system do you go through?
The first visit is about an hour and a half to 2 hour visit. There's a complete, very detailed history taken. You meet with one of our PAs or the physician, and the physical exam is included. Blood work is drawn, which we review in detail. We also give an EKG. Then we sit down and speak about the first week. There's a lot of education that first visit. The subsequent visits after that are a little bit shorter, but it's an ongoing weekly visits to help you get to the new program.
Does that help with the accountability, the weekly visits? And of course,
absolutely.
Keep you getting constant information, too, about what you're doing?
Absolutely, and it's very personal. What's happening with me, how can they help me? Because, you know, everyone's needs are different, and those counseling sessions just are instrumental in keeping me on track.
Okay. Walk me through a day on the program. You know, what do you eat for breakfast? How much exercise are you doing? In the beginning, were you starving?
I have not starved on this program. A normal morning for me is a scramble of 2 egg whites, turkey link with some fat-free cheddar.
Okay.
I have it all pre-portioned out. That to me is the key, is being prepared. Because I'm always running late for work, and I pull it out of the fridge and I go. About 11 o'clock, I eat a handful of almonds, and then for lunch, I eat a vegetable and a small piece of meat, and then for dinner, either a fruit or a vegetable and some meat. And lots of fluids. And initially, I really wasn't encouraged to exercise, but that's definitely a big part of it now.
Well, you look fabulous.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing your story with us. And thank you for bringing us the information about the corporate partnership, too. If you're a workplace and this is something you'd like to offer your employees, you can certainly contact Medi-Weightloss Clinics. And we do have a special offer this morning for our San Antonio Living viewers. For the first 200 people that call, you're going to get $100 off the initial visit. And again, that's the first 200 people that call and mention San Antonio Living. So Medi-Weightloss Clinics on Huebner Road. Go to Medi-Weightlossclinics.com. You can call the number that you see on your screen. It's 210-697-9500.